Bingo.
Bingo, anak ko.
Here they come.
Can I say something? I don't know.
Bingo, anak ko. Let's see if they're gonna... Parang tao, no? Ah, that's why they're asking for food. Way! Whoa! Sa atin lalapit. Masa na? Ay, ang ingay pa rin. Ayan, tatalon yan.
This.
All aboard.
Far to the left, pair of
Go
Toco
faster.
toucans. The
Let me
Toco
see.
toucan is the largest, brightly colored beaks, which are not used for fighting, perhaps a little bit of jousting, but mostly just for eating. Their diet constructed in between us and the Norwegian restaurant. There's a small body of water that we call black swans. Their names are Nina and Shadow. The black swan is one of the largest species of swan. In fact, it's like the longest. Give you all a little history about the zoo. 100 years ago, this entire property belonged to a woman named Lillian Child and then by the foundation. And then in 1963, that's 60 years hanging from the railing. Just to his right there, a little bit lighter in color, is Jasmine. Jasmine is a couple of years older in this photo, and they are... Now, folks, I'm going to look way up onto your right-hand side there, where we can see 1, 2. The bald eagles of North America are not classified. Growing feet as well. Jake, the mosaic snake. Behind him, folks, look at this green building. And now, folks, you can see a black bird there down on the ground at 8 inches. Now, while I tell you a little bit about these animals, folks, I want that mane of his, that beautiful dark mane gives him so much more. These white tents, a preschool, which we are proud to say is in fact the only all-outdoors preschool accredited by the state of California. Well, this once their enclosure is now home to our Australian walkabout. If you haven't seen it already, go ahead and check it out sometime. You'll find yourself walking side by side with our kangaroos, our wallabies. As I say, folks, our emus. We have recently introduced 2 emu hatches to the Australian walkabout. And as we progress to our last destination in tropical America, so keep your eyes peeled as we pass the fence. This is the habitat of our
Ito game. It's